In this episode of Will It Work, we're going to test this side hustle that claims that we can make thousands of dollars per month simply with Facebook and AI generated content. I'm going to quickly go over what the original content creator states. I'm going to reveal my plan, and I'm even going to let you see the AI code that I generated to help me do this quicker. So if you've ever wondered if you can make money with AI content on Facebook, watch this entire video because I'm going to reveal exactly what I plan to do. I'm going to reveal the Facebook group and all of that stuff. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. As someone that has generated multiple six figures online with affiliate marketing, content creation, and digital products, my goal is to create content that actually helps you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so earlier today, I watched this video by Marcus Campbell, the affiliate marketing dude, that claims that we can make thousands of dollars per month simply with Facebook and AI generated content. In the video, he cites essentially this article and images like it where people are creating things like Jesus covered in shrimp or shrimp Jesus, and they're monetizing it and making money. And so before I go on, I should say I really like Marcus Campbell. I like the affiliate marketing dude. I've purchased his courses. We actually did a video together last year, but it never got posted. But I actually have tried a few of his methods before on this channel and they've worked. So I'm gonna give him the benefit of the doubt. He does create content that helps people make money online. And so I wanna test this to see if this is an opportunity. So basically what he claims that we should do in his video, I'm gonna link it down below so that you can watch the entire thing. He basically says you need to come up with a niche. You are going to create AI generated content using ChatGPT, the paid version, and then you're simply going to post it on Facebook. Now he recommends that you create a Facebook page and a Facebook group dedicated to this niche. In the original video, he lists probably 20 different niches for you to get into. And so I figured it was really interesting and something that we want to try. Now, in his original video, he mentions a number of people that are essentially making money by getting paid by Facebook. But if you know Marcus Campbell, he always has an alternative plan. He really likes OfferVault, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing as a viable and quicker solution. As I mentioned, I've tried his methods before and usually I have had good results. Now, let's go ahead and get into what I did. After watching the video, I went out and I created a Facebook page and I created a Facebook group, which I'll show you later on in this video. After I created the Facebook group and the Facebook page, I needed to actually create a prompt. And so one thing that holds a lot of people back when it comes to making AI content is actually creating a good prompt. And so what I did is I actually went over to ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT to create prompt that would actually be a good prompt that I can put in to get decent images. And so if we take a look at my screen right now, this is the type of image that we're going to generate. Now I'm actually in the barbecue and cooking niche with this. Again, I'm going to show you everything that I've done to this point, but I want to help set it up so that you get an idea of what we're doing and what we're talking about. And so one thing that I think you should do in the very beginning, if you're going to try this method, it's free. It just takes time. And if you have time or if you can schedule a bunch of these posts ahead of time, this could be a viable opportunity and option for you. So what I encourage you to do, the first thing is to ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for you. And like I said, in just a moment, I'm going to reveal the exact prompt that I have to create something like this. And so spend some time telling ChatGPT exactly what you want and what your expectations are for the end result or the image. And it's going to give you a prompt. And then you're going to test it. You're going to ask it to print something out or create something for you. And then you can always go back and refine it. But essentially what he says is you are either going to create images like I did or create reels that are created by AI that are focused within a niche, and you are going to upload it consistently. Now, I'm going to be doing this for probably a month or two. He recommends that we upload between 3 and 10 posts per day, which feels like a lot, but if you want to get traction on Facebook, it's something that you have to do. And so what my plan is, as I mentioned, I'm going to upload probably between 5 and 10 posts. Anytime I'm sitting at the computer and I remember, I'm just going to create the prompt and post. And one of the things that I will be looking for in the first month or two isn't the amount of money that I'm going to make. Because if you're brand new to Facebook and you don't have any credibility as far as your Facebook page and you don't have any credibility as far as your group, expecting to make money in the first month or two is going to be kind of unrealistic. Instead, what my goal is essentially grow my group. If I can start today and on June 10th and have essentially maybe 10 people in my group, I know that's a low bar, but I actually like to set myself up for success. If I can have 10 people in my group, that's a sign of progress. And even more so if I have 10 people in the group and they're posting and engaging. Now, it's one thing to have people in your group, but if nobody nobody's posting, nobody's engaging, it's going to be impossible to grow. So that is going to be goal number one, is essentially 10 to 20 people. Goal number two is simply going to be getting better at creating this type of content. Creating AI content is going to be more of a science than an art, and some people out there are creating really good content, and quite honestly, I need to learn how to do that so I can create the type of content that will be engaging. Now, how will I monetize this? I actually plan on monetizing this a few ways. I am going to create digital product suite where I'm going to sell it for relatively low, and then I'm going to have a series of order bumps and upsells that will eventually lead to a monthly reoccurring revenue source. In my opinion, having a monthly reoccurring revenue source is a great way to build an online business, essentially because you are not starting off from zero every single month. One of the hardest things as an affiliate marketer or a digital marketer is sometimes you just start off at zero, and getting that first sale might feel like it's impossible. But if you've got reoccurring monthly income built in, so like a membership or some sort of community, it can be a great way to make money. Now, what I'm planning on doing is eventually, once I have enough people buying my cheap front-end product, inexpensive ebook about my niche, which is essentially grilling, outdoor grilling and cooking, I will have a pretty sizable mailing list. I'll have a list of buyers. I'll create a school community dedicated to recipes and dedicated to cooking. And hopefully I'll get a bunch of people signing up. And once I have those people sign up, I'll invite them to a paid school community where they can interact with each other. We can build an actual community where people are talking to each other more in depth, and that will be another revenue source. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the prompt that I created, and then maybe you can actually create something on your own. So if I close this here, if we look down at the bottom of the screen here, it says create a vintage style image of a fusion barbecue dish that blends random ingredient 1 with randomized ingredient 2 using either grilled or barbecued methods. The dish is highlighted with a rustic garnish of random garnish. This outdoor grill scene at sunset features smoke gently rising in the background with a dish artistically plated on the antique wooden board. Caption: discover the timeless flavor of ingredient 1 and ingredient 2 in our classic yet innovative barbecue creation. Everything in the brackets are variables for you to change. Include a question in the caption that will create and enhance engagement. So if we hit enter like this, and over time I'm going to be adding to this as I want things to show up a little bit different. I might change just a little bit of it, but you can see that it's working in the background. And the crazy thing with this is it works really quickly. 2 years ago, we would have had to go out, do this all by hand and source all of the sorts of different crazy things. But look how quickly this worked out. And if we look at this, discover the timeless flavors of lamb and apricot in our classic yet innovative barbecue creation. What's your favorite fusion barbecue combo? Which is really cool. And so basically, I'm just going to download that to my computer. I'm going to jump over to my Facebook group that I just created. And now I believe I've uploaded maybe 5 images already. For me, quite honestly, the consistency part is going to be the most difficult aspect of this. Uploading 5 videos or images per day is just going to be one of those things where I might slip or forget. But if we look at the group is simple. It's called Barbecue Basics. I didn't overthink it at all. You can see that I uploaded 3 hours ago. I uploaded 5 hours ago. I actually have a different prompt that I wasn't hugely thrilled with, but you can see my theme is vintage. But you can see here, I think this will be upload number 5. And what I'm going to do is just click on upload. I'm going to drag this over like this, grab the caption like this and paste it in, and we're simply going to post it. And that's the whole gist of what we're doing. Now, as I start getting more people, I will include maybe like a featured post where I have a link to my ebook that I'm going to sell. It's an ebook that I'm actually creating with the help of ChatGPT. I'm going to have an editor read over it and look at it, make it look more appealing so it's not just a Google Doc or a Word document. And this is the entire process. Now, like as I mentioned, I'm going to be doing this for 2 months to see if I make any progress. After 2 months, hopefully I'm consistent enough to upload between 5 or 10 images. After 2 months, hopefully I'll have more information to share with you. I'll share my progress. You'll actually be able to see if I've made any group members, and more importantly, you'll be able to see if I've made any money. I do. Hopefully I'm able to start that membership. I can offer even more information for you and let you know if it worked or not. Comment down in the comment section below if you think this is going to work. Comment what any potential problems you think that I might run into when doing this and trying this method. Let me know if you watched the original video and if you decided or considered giving it a shot as well. Now that you have seen this video and I've posed the question, will it work? Watch this video next, because it is a free 5-hour masterclass that will show you step by step how to monetize your social media.